Princess Liana Jade's channel. Today we're going to do an at-home project. It's called Magic Milk. The only thing you need for this project is dish detergent, Q-tips, paper plates, and food coloring. You ready, Liana?
Yeah.
Alright, so first you're going to grab your milk and you're going to pour it in the plate.
Whoa.
Before you do this experiment, always make sure you get permission from your parents. Alright, so next we get the food coloring. What color is this, Liana? This blue? Alright.
I want the purple one.
Okay, you want to do purple? So we get purple. Okay. So you're going to put the food coloring in the center.
I want lily.
Okay, go. Daddy's going to put his in the center and you put yours in. And squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Move it around. Move it around. Yeah, squeeze. More. Put it there. Alright, now Daddy get purple and you get blue. Yeah, squeeze it. Yep. Alright, now what color do you want to get?
I want yellow.
Okay, and Daddy will get pink.
I want this one. Okay. That's yellow.
Okay. There.
Yellow.
Alright, now squeeze. Good job. Alright, now switch. Okay, now you get pink and I get green. Okay. Just drop it. You can drop it around anywhere that you like. You can put it in the middle or you can spread it around. Yours looks pretty, Liana. Squeeze it. Okay. So the last step is to get your Q-tip. Make sure that you dipped it in the dish detergent. Here you go. Oh, and then you're gonna put it down inside the milk. Put it down. Put it down. Push it down. Whoa!
That's mommy.
Is that cool or what?
Whoa.
Here, you want another one?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh.
You gotta get some more soap and put it in. Wow, look at Liana's. Liana's so pretty.
Whoa.
Stir it up. And this is called Magic Milk. Look at the pretty colors.
Look at pretty colors.
Cool. Wow. Which one looks the best?
Look, mommy.
Daddy's or Liana's?
Whoa.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our channel. Bye. Wave.